All right, my curly friends, I am back with yet another video in my Best of the Best series. And this one is about premium high-end deep conditioners. This is a follow-up to my previous video that was all about drugstore deep conditioners, what I consider the best of the best. And now I'm moving on to the premium ones. In my previous video I did with the drugstore deep conditioners, they were ranging from like $16 and under. This one's going to be $17 and up, of course. But to be honest, most of them are probably in the $20 to $30 and up. So if you have a bigger budget, this may be the right video for you. If this is not in your budget, maybe you want to go back to the other video, or if you just want to watch anyway just to see what's out there, please keep watching. A lot of the ones that I'm going to talk about are just some of my favorites that I've been using over the years. I do have a lot of high-end deep conditioners. I've just started not just started, but I just really started focusing on some of the drugstore ones before because I really want to compare the difference, see if there is a better one out there. Now, many of these you may have already seen a review on, but that's okay because I am really trying to narrow it down to my favorites here. I feel like I base them on the scent, I base them on how slippery they are, how moisturizing they are, how well they detangle, all of that. So hopefully you enjoy this compiled list of my favorite premium deep conditioners. Okay, so we're going to start with my first favorite hair mask. This is by Briogeo, and this is the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. Some of the key ingredients include rosehip oil, which is going to provide those essential fatty acids, and those are going to help maintain the hair hydration and control the frizz. Another ingredient that is key is the algae extract, and that's going to help provide minerals and amino acids, antioxidants, and vitamins, which is going to help nourish and strengthen the hair and protect it from free radical damage. It also includes B vitamins to help improve the texture of the hair, add some body, and also give it that beautiful sheen. The last key ingredient is almond oil, which is going to help enhance the shine and luster of dry or weak hair and smooth the cuticle to prevent frizz and lock in the moisture. I really enjoy this mask. I've been using it for a long time, and I typically leave it on for about 30 minutes with a heat cap. Another favorite of mine is the DevaCurl Melt into Moisture Matcha Butter Conditioning Mask. This one smells so good. If you guys have ever had green tea ice cream, that's exactly what it reminds me of. I am obsessed with it, and I just love the fresh scent of it. So some of the key ingredients for this one are, of course, matcha butter, which is going to help moisturize the hair. It also contains sweet almond oil, which is one of my favorite oils, and that's going to help nurture your hair. And it's also free of sulfates, silicones, and parabens. This does have a really thick and rich texture, which I love. It feels like an actual butter, but it's not as slippery as most deep conditioners I have tried. But I think after like 30 minutes with it on, it does leave my hair feeling so silky and smooth. The next one is actually my favorite DevaCurl deep conditioner. This is the Heaven and Hair Divine Deep Conditioner. This is definitely one of my favorite deep conditioners. It's been out forever, but what I love about it is that it has a really smooth and silky texture. It has so much slip, which for me is so major. I need to have slip in my deep conditioners because I have major tangles. Some of the key ingredients are, and please, I am going to butcher this because I cannot pronounce this, kapuaku butter? I hope that's right. Please let me know if I'm wrong. Which is going to help nurture your hair. Cacao butter is going to help smooth the hair cuticle. Mudu Mudu butter is going to help moisturize the hair. And of course, with all of DevaCurl's products, they are free of sulfates, silicones, and parabens. Next is the Ouidad Curl Immersion Triple Treat Deep Conditioner. I believe they call it Triple Treat because of the triple oils in here, which are coconut, avocado, and grapeseed oil. This is formulated with coconut and avocado oils, which is going to help infuse your curls with a lot of moisture without weighing them down. It also contains grapeseed oil, one of the more lightweight oils, to help act as a sealant to lock in the moisture of the cuticle so your curls continue to stay hydrated. This will restore natural ceramides, which are lost during chemical processes and heat styling. And of course, it's going to moisturize, seal, and restore. Now, because this is on the heavier side with the oils and all that, I do keep it on my mid-shaft area down to my ends and then put on my disposable shower cap. The only thing about this deep conditioner is that it does contain a couple silicones. So if you do not use silicones, then maybe this is not the mask for you. I am not 100% against all silicones. I do like them in some products. This is one of those products. The next one that I'm using also is by Coco and Yves. This also does have silicones, but you guys, this is, if I could rate this on fragrance alone, this is by far the best smelling deep conditioner I've ever used. But I'm not just rating this on fragrance alone. This is a really, really good deep conditioner. I find that within 10 minutes, my hair feels super transformed. Just so smooth and silky. It's a 5-in-1 treatment made with raw virgin coconuts. It contains fig extract and shea butter, linseed, and argan oil. If your hair is dry and damaged, it's going to feel super hydrated and restored, and of course shiny. And it's so slippery. Oh, best detangler. I love it. And by the way, my split ends always looked really smooth after. Not that it's going to take care of split ends completely, but it did look like they were mended after. Well, that's going to wrap up this video. I'm so happy that I got to share this with you. Let me know down below if any of these are your personal favorites, or if you have one that is really popular that I haven't listed. Let me know down below in the comments. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you are properly notified of when I post new content. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.